Now, any time that I sit on this chair to work at my desk, the imagination station, when I'm sitting on the chair, it sinks down. Within 30 seconds, I'm sat there, and when it's sunk down, I can't even see my keyboard properly on my laptop, and it's driving me crazy. But I don't want to go out and buy a new office chair, because it's a good chair, it's a comfortable chair, but what it needs is the Phil Campion engineering upgrade. Now let me see if I can turn the chair over and show you what I'm thinking. It's all a bit awkward when we're trying to do the video, but let's get underneath here. So, you see that bracket underneath? Well, what I'm thinking is, if I could have a bracket that goes under that plate with a wooden leg that will touch the ground level with the wheels at the bottom, yeah, I think that'll stop the chair going down. So let's go down to the workshop. We go out the back door. There's the workshop at the end of the garden. Right, quickly in here. So what I've got is my cross-cut mitre saw, and if I use a piece of wood that kind of thickness, that should do it. So I'm going to cut myself a leg on here that will become the extra leg on the swivel chair. Right, that's my piece of wood cut. Now, I didn't want to hold the camera while I'm operating the cross-cut mitre saw, obvious reasons. But look, I've attached this metal bracket to my extra leg. So we're going to see if this fits on. Let's go down there quickly. Come on, leg. So I'm going to undo those bolts and get the leg under that plate. Right, look at that, guys and girls. That bracket goes right underneath this plate, and I've bolted it back on. Look at that. My chair's got its extra leg. Now, it is a little bit wobbly, so I'm going to have to give it the Mark II upgrade. So, I've got these zip ties or tree ties, whatever they're called. Now, one of them is going to go round there, look, and round the stem of the leg, but one's not long enough, so I'm going to join these together. Just look at this, folks. That's fantastic. That plastic tie there is holding it really firm. Now we'll just cut off that bit of excess. There we go. It's nice and trim. So if we stand this chair up now, steady as we go. Ooh. Fantastic. It's really sturdy, and that leg is going to stop the chair from sinking down and driving me crazy. I've saved myself having to buy a new chair. This is brilliant. Oh yes, I'm at the right height, you see. Great. I'm loving it.